Hello everyone, this is Sujit Singh welcoming you all to the inauguration of Sujit E Academy. The need and requirement of online education has been increasing worldwide due to the pandemic of COVID-19. This academy provides classes for all the main subjects of all boards like CBSE, ICSE and UP board. We also provide classes for all undergrad and postgrad competitive entrance examination. Your child will be studying with the best and renowned faculty here. Academy will also arrange some cultural, social and motivational events. Hello students, today I start my lecture with divisibility rules by 7. Now I am going to discuss 5 methods how to divide a number by 7 or to test the number divisible by 7 or not without any actual division. Now let us take first example 987637. You select a triplets from left. This is a triplets and subtract from remaining one. Its solution is as 987 remaining part and this one is the triplet 637. Now you find its difference. If the difference is divisible by 7, then the whole number is divisible by 7. Let us see. 7 minus 7 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. And 9 minus 6 is 3. So see that this number is divisible by 7. Then this original number is also be divisible by 7. So many more examples are here with different methods. Now second example with another method, example number 2. Now if a number is so big, then you select triplets. As a number is 8, you select a number, big number 8955 and more numbers 795 and another big number 758. Means this is enough big number to check this number is divisible by 7 or not. First of all you select triplets, you form triplets. First one this triplets, this one is second triplets and this one is third triplets. Use now from last select it and alternate positive and negative numbers. You arrange 758. This is the first triplet minus alternate positive and negative. This is positive, another group is negative, then another one is positive 955 and next one is again negative. This one as means you form a triplets here also as. So this type of arrangement. Now you check the final result. What is this result? 910. I see that this number is divisible by 7. So this big number is also divisible by 7. Okay. Now third example is with another method. Now third example and third method discuss here. A number is not so big and find this number is divisible by 7 or not. 98763 is divisible by 7 or not. You just see. You select a unit place value number and then double it and subtract from the remaining one. Means 9876 minus 2 times of 3. 2 times of 3 is 6. You subtract 6 from this one. 9870. Now next step. 987 minus 2 times 0 is again 987. 98 minus 2 times of 7 is equal to, this one is 14 and this one is 98. 98 minus 14 is 84. Clearly this is divisible by 7, but you go next step. 8 minus 2 times of 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. We know that 0 is divisible by 7, so this number is divisible by 7. One more example with another method. There are 5 methods and 5 examples here. Now next example is, you choose some multipliers for the numbers. You always remember this multiple for a number divisible by 7 or not. Now select a number. 98763 98760. To test this number is divisible by 7 or not, you use multiplier 1, minus 2, minus and 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, 2 and 3. Then you multiply it in same order. 9 1 ja 9, 8 2 ja 16, 7 3 ja 21, 6 1 ja 6, 6 3 2 ja 6 and 0. Now you add these numbers. Now you add these numbers. To see that this one plus 6 minus 6 cancel out, and this one is minus of 28. Minus 28 is divisible by 7. Hence the original number 987630 is divisible by 7 again. So now next and last method with an example of another multipliers. Example number 5. Now select same number, similar number 98. This type of number 7637. Is this number is divisible by 7 or not? You use multiplier 1 3 2 6 4 and 5. You use this multiplier. For this, you reverse that number 7 3 6 7 8 and 9. After that, you multiply these two. 7 1 is 7. This one is 9. This one is 12. This one is 42. This one is 32. And this one is 45. After that, you sum up all these numbers. You sum up these numbers. How much value? 5 2 7 2 9 11 11 9 20 20 and 7 27 7 carry 2. 7, 4, 11, 12. 12 and 2 is 14. 147. You see that 147 is divisible by 7 again. Hence this number is divisible by 7. So these methods, there are 5 methods. There are 5 methods to check how to test a number is divisible by 7 or not. Okay? So thank you for seeing. Please subscribe and like and share these channels with these innovative ideas and methods for divisibility rule. Thank you.